shot.
Tie your shoe.
Pickleball.
It's almost a religion.
Champion shot.
Down in the kitchen. Ground stroke.
Get you in trouble.
Overhead slam.
The pickle dome.
Mind your
Or
manners.
to send you home.
Second serve.
Do not poach.
Topspin time.
Don't be in coach.
Don't hit the flapjack.
It's all the same.
Follow through.
And win the game. For the whole family. Serve.
Big mistake.
Service court.
Open face.
Overhead smash.
Backspin ace.
Strike that paddle.
Follow through.
Lay down the drink shot.
Tie your